News presents President Speak in connection with upcoming Lok Sabha election. Lagliba Lok Sabha Mikhal ga Marilena, Manipur la liba tungan political party singi, President Singh unabagi thoramni President Speak.
Mayam Kurumjari the Miribas Impact News ni Aikrim Premsana Impact News ki President Speak the Mayamutaram Oxeri. Manipur ki tungan mafam sing chatun miyam ki apamba haibdi lagliba election asiga Marilena, Miyam ki apamba sing Miyam Khan Rabatunda, Manipur the liba tungan political party single using Muslim Unaraga, Mokoina. Khal hamliba kholona du kai noy miyam da pagum nabi tanjaduni aduga hojik unagadau reverse JDU ki president su oiriba aduga handak pangdo ko toriba mikhal asida mire amasu oiriba Hangkhanpao Taithul ni tama hamlak seningi se hojik laiba mikhal se kuisu kuidre laiba mikhal sida maru oina thengnagadau riba karam wakhalon no mayam da piri ba thaja base kari no duga party sina thamliba maru oina Manipur yoin thamliba
Thank you, Impact TV, and thank you, my dear Prem. JDU na hek ahan badagi lau khong duna lakre akhoi gi manifesto makse akhoi na kayadi yen thokte adubo nahan gi editors guild na shilakhi ba forum du da di akhoi gi manifesto do akhoi na chaurona adum thamja khare Atan akoi partishina changsan liba maram sidi Manipur sida peace and tranquility se yam darkar oi peace and tranquility hai base sumnagi irang natraka crime thok tabagi peace oi banate emotional coherence segedra emotional sentimental relationship mutual understanding mutual trust amase yam darkar oi JDU na ubadi mutual trust ama ilele tabagum tore ching tam haiba malere naga kuki haiba malere metei pangal tribal nadraga metei tribal haiba gumba amasi shigumba feeling ama ichai now sing sida khara leiba ama lakpa sida janata dona khang mangamde aduna ehakna president hek oirakpada ehakna Chandil MLA oiringai gi kuki ga naga gi irang leiringai da Aina MLA oidringe emasung oiraba motungda kanna hona jaraga lekhidraba pabung risangna ibungo ekhoina madu peace ki toru makhei irang leibani yaroi kana roidra ko hairambada pabung elai bak changjeng jage hairambadu honaru bakanda chahi amaga tangkhai change 2017 gi May 16 da peace ki naga amasung kuki gi traditional soul wang khatna chinglaga mi 3000 victims of the ethnic conflict adu mayam la aga toba adu dagi hek matang chalaga peace ase lakpani haibadu ekhoina thajajaba amasung soidana makki media thongdana tragana intellectual circle dagi natragana official lom dagi thoidongna appreciation leitraga su e isa aina MLA karu base mei chakadaba jum kharadi kan haure sigadaba mi kharadi kan haure lukhrabi oido ba kharadi kan haure mama orphan oigadaba angang kharadi kan haure haibagi nungai jaba aduna yengeba sida chahi kunlom hena lakhre ngasi se ehana khanjaramba peace and tranquility amasung coexistence and the main thing is mutual trust amase iwat wat pasase hajoi JDU na masise tribe kuding leiriba purup kuding sida thajanaba amase lehan batai habesi ahan ba pantham ekhoi gi pandam oibadagi masi ase power khara leitiragadi people's gi representative oiraga eina kendra ma gi representative oirame adubo MP oi kharagadi Manipur praja asam na hairabada valley da muslim pangal loi leire pumna makki representative oido rubina adu matamda ehak nam MP oiragadi ehak ase moi sing se chingsanba equal treatment mijeng amhana jengba kandada ekhoina khitang crack lei kharaba misunderstanding haigadra trust deficit ase soidana men khapa ngamgani haiba wa khanlon duda AMP oidaba jade haibane
yam nuaise haibde Manipur la riba tuan ba furup sing ase nusi chana ba porkani haibgi tumba achet pa wakalon duni aduga da moji laksan ningi se outer da haitare outer da कोई असेंबली सेगमेंट कुन गनिपान लेबी मनुंगदा तरामाथोय मन बीजेपी न कारग लेदी तरामाथोय मन आईएनसी नि एनपीएफ की मरी नि एनपीपी की अनि नि सिगी मरक सिदा जेडीयूना हाइदि करम्बा वखललोंदा अखोगी मिखल से माई पाकने खनबिरिबनो करम्बा आइडिया सिंग लेबिबगे मतेमता हाइबियु
मसिगी मरमदि अखोइना अखोइ एमएलए लेजद्रगसु एमएलए लेरगा सरकार चलाइरिबा सिंगसे मोइ थाजनदे कोऑपरेशन लेनदे अमागी विभाग अमना खंगदे अमागी विभाग अमना खंगदे मरगासिदा अंडरस्टैंडिंग बु इले लेते हाइना एलोनिंगी मदुगी मरम नरा एनी कोलिशन सरकार फॉर्म तोरम दाइददी एटलीस्ट मिनिमम प्रोग्राम जाथो इबने मदुदना मोइ सरकार दगी रोड मैप बोइदो बने महुजिकी फॉर्म तोरिबा बीजेपी ने लीड तोबा अमसुंग एनपीपी ना अमसुंग एनपीएफ ना अमसुंग इंडिपेंडेंट अमा जाबरा तोरिबा से मोइ मरकसे मिनिमम प्रोग्राम थम्बा ngamdaba सरकार से थोइदोकना कनगनी हाइना अखोइ लोदे नंबर 1 सेकेंडली अमुंग लेरी अखोइना हजिक सुमहाइरबदा करि हाइगनी हजिक मोइ मदुगी खुदमदि एनपीपी ना माइ कैंडिडेट सेट तौरे अदुगा बीजेपी ना सेटअप तौरे अते एनपीएफ ना अमुंग सेटअप तौरे मसिसिनी मोइगी मरक असे मोइसे थोइदोकना पावर पाइबगी वानी थोइदोकना अखोइना मसिदा मी पाइनांगाइ लेते मरु ओइबदी प्रजा सिदा नीतीश कुमार जी निगी वखनलोन असे अखोइ चाइथोगा पीपल सिंग से फेडअप ओइरे अदुबा मोइ हेल्पलेस ओइ अदुकी रोड में अमसुंग मदुगी वेंटिलेट तौनबा अमसुंग मदुगी मोइगी वखन सिंग से थादादनबा अफबा अमा नीतीश कुमार जी की वखनलोन असे अखोइना बेस तौरगा बैंकिंग तौरगा मागी क्लीन इमेज मागी ऑनेस्टी मागी इंटीग्रिटी with a wonderful concern for the downtrodden, exploited minority groups all over the country. Masis banking toraga akoina campaign tobada Manipur prayadi awa ba hairagasu tam khangabani lukraba fake encounter gida suffering jam leirabani ima iben sing upaidi leitaraba wakhan tangdu leitana len bangam lam asida sigumba leadership amagi party makhada ekoi party asina prayaga samnaraga toba kanda karigi paisa bu kiro dubno paisa na pi dragadi vote pi ba yade haiba wa kasu leite free give ni hak se free give ni yabu yaninga gadi lishing tara vote ama haire su yaroi do ba praja ama leiria ba khoigi imai ben sing ma British sarkar bu fight toramba ma phanek nijat khallaga nongmei gi mamang da chen de ba imai ben sing lei imai ben sing se waramani drug gida nisa gida yu gida kalbar tongan ba thalba asida kanana suffer to be the family suffers in the family mothers are suffering like this with full trust to the mothers who are thinking for their kids future ekhoi maduda thajaba thamaga bank toraga corruption todaba bihar bu sem katpa ngasi phauba BJP Congress RJD na satellite haigadra CCTV toraga magi thabak toba sida sikki amasu chenaba phaba ngamdaduna CNN IBN na 9 lakh honesty award piba ngama chief minister ase soidanamaki Manipur praja heisingaba khantabada ngamaba boldly stand loba ngamba Manipur praja singsina soidanamaki nungsibigani haibesi thajaraga khoi contest
yam nungaje hojik leiriba khogi MLA wariba madi minister wariba singi marakta khogi cooperation lenda ba haiba tare asu mo khalona se ofam se khogi tawano phonuk pire aduga makhata mojik Manipur gi miyamna aina sum khogi impact news market gi chachaba matamda Manipur gi miyamna kwaidagi pamda ba se CAB aduga yellow mi kanba sigum busina hena pam bai tare adi CAB se chana handaba aduga yellow mi kanna kari gum thorang lokhot piba aduga CAB bu support torok party sing dudi mokoina khogi mokoi bu sogat loi haibagi wakhalonam phonuk pide sigi matang da JDU na hana phonuk ki basu leire CAB ki mayok te lep ki bi matang ada mikhal ga maile na sigi matang kai kai happening bagi
CAB asima JDU se mathang da NDA sarkar lak agasu lak tergasu JDU di sarkar pai bata jawgani ei hairage maramde both side na Nitish Kumar se magi partner ohening amasina loire อาชีสิโคตรกับจังมาเนี่ยส้มใช้นะนั่งเลี้ยงไม่ยาได้เลยส้มใช้นะนั่งอดุกตินรุนูมาที่อามังบันี่ RSS นะ drive ตัวบุปผาร์นี่มุสลิมกรีโนนี่ฮินดูว่าอดุยามเลยบันี่มาสิดา Nitish Kumarji is watching. He is most neutral. Whoever forms the government, Mahagathbandhan or NDA, Nitish Kumar and his party will be in the ruling platform. One, Madhu Airagadi. Ruling oina CAB House ta protest oraga. JPC level lapadagi Lok Sabha puthanabada. Hekta protest opposed oramba party lere. Rajya Sabha gida head counting tore. Even party UPAD oiraga khara na we CCAB se support to gani haina assurance pire ba matung phawada JDU na if there is voting we will vote against the passing of the CAB see loire mainly inside the parliament si hena to do ba karimata leitre okay imai ben amasung political party tongan bana hoi Delhi da dharna phamu bakang busulei aduga imai ben sing na sida thama henna CSO majam even lawyers fraternity even kari hai gani tongan proof sing sina thama ge henna protest tora ba motungda Lok Sabha da pukhalaga pass to thokre aina party khara da hangninge hai gadra hainingi Lok Sabha da pass to dringai da karigi Delhi da dharna to drivano kanaguma party Rajya Sabha da puthoklani hai baduda loina ma MLA khangde party leader khangde jantar mantar da protest dharna sit in toru ba kangu do karigi Lok Sabha puthok dringai da aduda phamdrino Lok Sabha da di pass to hon khre adugi mutuna Rajya Sabha da thingnabagi mongda amung tore okay adu phau su phammi phari Akoina Khanjabadi Maduda passed over the people's key iho number one. Secondly, Masina outside Niko, outside parliament, not anybody's credit cannot go to any political party. It goes to the sheers of people who have been fighting and protesting in the sun and in the rain for more than 1 month. Taurakpagi voice ado government of India Narendra Modi na tarabare. Tarabatung da Akoin matara matung da masina outside ni. But inside, who fight like JDU, even though it is in the NDA, we fought tooth and nail, real fought, and I think JDU was victorious with the help and support of people who have been protesting for more than 1 month here. Adana adu oiragadi mathang lakpakanda. JDU hojik Lok Sabha da MP ani khak leye Rajya Sabha da teret khak leye mathang de JDU di MP tra manga soidana phamani sarkar amusu oiriba jai pusu puthok halai
aduga maroina tamong saiki hoi yelong machine kan na wai tar Manipur tuan be yelong mi hoi proof kuntra ga mai manga hen lei hai tar sigi be hoi the people's will na hoi Manipur gi lenga ga su pass to khre adugo president ge sen laudri sigi matang siga aduga armed forces power exe apaspase sigi matang sigi maram dali kai hai
Manipur People's Bill say House na passed or amne akoi Manipur Assembly na Manipur Assembly is the highest platform akoi anything constitutional act same jaba kainoni adubo kitang limitation leiba siguma matang oiba kanda president ge assent khaktang wat pa aduna panhan libani masiki matang da party Apapa Tobukanda, JDU is ready to support and ready to stand with it and ready to raise its voice in support. Because of that, BJP Nalito was Sarkar Sida AD Topam Topa Towe. The problem is what make the President of India still not assenting to the bill. This is their weakness again. Are they not able to face the Prime Minister, or are they not able to boldly speak to the Rajnath Saab? Is Home Ministry monitoring it? Home Ministry once forwarded it. President is ready to assent within a few minutes. What makes them not convincing the authority like Narendra Modi ji, the Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister of India, and the Home Minister? What makes them? Masida Ishida. Is it namesake? Asida irang leire haiduna. Just skin sep to na ba excuses ki damang ta khagtang pass ta oraga asom da di pass tawrak to akoi pressure khang mangam da badagi pass tawrak pa yuani esen tawrasu phare tawdrasu phare hai ram gadra hai na chingna ba phau de ba ja de siu number 1 regarding APSPA. This APSPA is really and truly all over the world a draconian. It is already branded the real draconian. See, India gi ek nate ba British matam da lady say the people this great country na ngasi phabo karina toraga British matam da leirama ba sigumba draconian act se delete toba ngamdrino. Is it applicable or in every country? No. This is here to say so. In the northeast, in some parts of the northeastern states. What kind of state marriage treatment? Is it because of the mistrust to the people of northeast? If they count the people of mainland in Hindu, Indian people, count this northeast as a part and parcel and integral part of India, then why they are just putting this kind of chain and something draconian act still prevailing? This is not good. Therefore, BJP, JDU na MP karaba masigi draconian act se brace togani kanana kari hai resu CAB propose kaino house ta pukhalapa matam opposed to ba adu phau to ba oiragadi siguma draconian act asigi against the JDU kai dongai su lengdana leiroi haibo seng na haibada house manung duda ekoina hena question hangninge aduga kadai phau itik leibra madu lothok na ba party atei tongan ba masi draconian makne haiba international level gi NGO khang any moigi support mobilize toraga aduga party atei or ruling the oirasu opposition mobilize toraga masi se lothok na ba ekhoi fight togani. Secondly, namdre haina lorasi thoksabirak tre haina lorasi because it's a matter of number. Then we are planning to form our own government in 2022. If JDU is given a chance, this will be immediately deleted. Let there be president rule the next morning. We don't care. JD will goes on, will be more strengthened with the support from people of Manipur who is deadly against and who have suffered a lot because of this APSPA. We are not afraid.
Makata na have that hojik lay political scenario se maruina kogi achau party or BJP ANC ado moise kogi publicity moigi campaign ni mawong yamna what experience torakpa ado sigumba mayam have tare ado election se maruina free and fair when bagi wakhalunda kari wafam thambini
moigi campaign nature se the publicity nahan gi gumna hygiene laga mina thaja halaga monung du da paisa na sum thomaga chat number game ni na ama khakta da oirasu hen hora ga loire a chahi manga palaga loire aduga chahi manga amung lapa ganda amung tobado kaino thodo wa to khara kaino toraga aduda amung moi haina bi hebe tare ne pramanda congress na khari torame sarkar semna na ba yam kana na ba ching sida underground thalle ba ko outer area hai batare group togan mele moi singse moi monungda matam dugi sarkar congress na hore morup saye ba peoples ki hak to nongmai machin tonda vote thada na ba bi capture to na moi ne paisa pi raga adagi moi gi mla UG group na ticket ye libani chingda moi na ekhoi cp ge haibaka mi singdo ekhoi na kanabu noi ne support do ribano ekhoi ticket pige haina noi mi puthoro sine ba puthoaga toriba congress ki matamda underground na recommend to ba mi sing ticket phangkare. Secondly adu toduna am nungaite aina repeatedly aina haibane asise underground gi mateng loraga peoples ki hakmal se underground nate sarkar oiriba sarkar singduna toro haibane maramdi moigi people da thaja da ba khangba people ngonda moina thoidongna moigi achievement utna ngai leitaba adu redi modungi namthak ke da toro haina moina mu insan laga praya chinggi chin naw sing se ngasi phawba masise hakse mat laga sana biraga tora ibeneba adu khina rakduna churchanpur da samna hairabada Chuchanpurda mi mapan sirakre phumma ngamde aduga UG na support toba candidate to maithire UG na support toba makare masi horabani chingdasu fed up people are fed up no mai khatang ki begi wani adusu ki deba jaba janni ima iben singna ida phaba ngameba adubo sarkar ga loinarabani na army na amuka backing torabani na people sing se upai leiteba sima how painful it is adu nungaite haiduna people na sidi yad rahe na BJP da chance piri shehre si 2016 da BJP se MLA zero ne JDU se hojik zero eri zero do people na congress na toramba mayam do haidok pudi ngamda ba puba thangba ngamdra duna congress thanamasi BJP da chance piri si moiga thengna ba ngamma mana tra leite haiduna directly hairege mi kun ma thoi pire they are doing the same culture hojik yengo chingda UG organization makaina CSO mayam cookie chip mayam thoidok hendo na non naga group ki ningthau mayam nampu cho meeting to khre KSO meeting to khre cookie in P district level headquarter level cookie women union singse nampu da meeting to salaga CP ba hebese ngarang makta so many places la khre ba adoredi masira ekone change expect torome hojikti Congress na tauramba culture do BJP na tauria ba there is no difference at all aduna ichina prayada ina haning mati masi se there is no more hope from BJP government maybe at the center also may this what is being practiced here might have been with the due approval of the BJP leaders of at the national level. Maybe even the Prime Minister might be instigating these UGs. If you support BJP and make him elected, then we will just consider your issue. Masi offer soidan oigane bese. I believe oisu oigane oisu oye. Guwahati da moi meeting to bane. Meeting tauraga dua tauraga adubo ena nahan editors guild hai khare oisu oiroi doba hygiene laga sahi manga la kani yengbiramo there will be no change in heaven masida sum thajaduna leiba praja ekhoise laibak thire aduna please come out Nitish Kumar ji is there Nitish Kumar ji ekhoina ma khaktang si gi wakhan lona se prayana loksan biro he is behind us he is going ahead of us he is guiding us he is holding our hand he has stretched his hand whether we just also accept it or not it is up to the people if we need the real change then this is the opportunity and make this MP elected and this MP is not just a beginner this JDU candidate is 5-time contesting election and even when he lose he stood second and then had been minister and I know to say so I know how will I speak how shall I do how shall I approach other like-minded friends from politics or NGOs I know other MLAs who are there I think they won't be able to do it the thing is that they are now conversing the vote with money power. If money power starts here and if we accept again the same way we have been accepting for the last so many years, then there will be no change. Maybe APSPA will not be raised, maybe CIB. Amit Shah ji has declared Narendra Modi comes back, it will be brought up again. Even when Amit Shah ji speaks like this and if people of Manipur, people of leaders of Manipur, leaders of all every CSO, leaders of all political parties, maybe in the BJP, maybe in the Congress, maybe in the IDP, maybe in the NPP, are still trying to support and make this BJP candidates vote from this outer and inner country. Then please let us not raise our voice against any policies and program that is being brought up by BJP in the future. Pagi tare niya ba? Adu ne pagi tare ka nok pidana. Ngah protest au jasunu wabagan da tokani. Hoi ne to do to ro lo ere. Kada ba. Number game ni. Hojik ticket yen liba mong si su yeng bio. Congress ki su yeng bio. BJP ki su yeng bio. Sieng na hera da ngangoi do ba. Sumna obedient sar hai ke do bo ere. Khoi di sar hai ke ni. But khoi di we know khoi di mingonda su pang lem na adumai na mi khong ka pai be se pen lak re khong pai matang lakani in the interest of people. We will touch the feet of anybody, even to the layman. We are ready to touch the feet. However, if the point is not right, and if they're going to torment the future of our future kids and young youths, then we will never keep silent. Boldly we will stand, even at the cost of our politics, even at the cost of our career, even at any cost, we will stand. I request to believe, at least believe us and give us a chance. The way it has been given to previous governments and parties.
I know I am always saying that to Arui when I tell like because you can learn Manipur Miam that Pauzi Lamtang PBU.
Nung si Jaraba Praja Pumnamak. Ako say party a son bani. Ako paisa nung sada kanama ta sunga moy. Adu aregasu election ay basidi paisa chamara chanira phangdargadi vote thada bajade hai begi wa sublei leitabani chinnaw Manipur ma sem ga chairagadi Hangkhanpao thaja bidragasu Nitish Kumar di thaja biu sangsar da sarkar leiba makhaina Prime Minister mana oido bani mana Prime Minister oiragadi India se mo amadi oirani secularism haiba mak practice kar oirani honesty haiba mak practical oirani kanagumba achau chauba company ga manungda collusion oina chain loy haiba se sangsar at America Russia China na admire tarba leader ni party ate gumna zom launa ahing nong yaida mi thong do khillaga hayang vote thorak piro lupa yangkai lupa chama nga haiba ngamlak ta bajai adu aregasu nahoi BJP ga Congress na pirakkadoba namna pirakkadoba lupa nipura yangkhaira adu lodaba aduna ahongma Manipur purakadobani ekhoi BJP ga Congress ka ate party na vote hada biro haina chama chani pirakpa pi ekhoi na chama chani do amuta inthokpa aduna ekhoi panggan oiraga ahongba amakto soiduna pubirakani haina prayabu hanna mo khurum jabani
yam nuaise masininga sigi khoi president speak ki thoram aduga makhata ba tungan political party singi usingma singa unaraga makhoi wakalam samu tamjage hojige na de camera person sapam henry gloria no problem jari bai ketamem premsan back news info